Hey everybody, welcome here to Make Money Online Guy. I'm Jay Vo, and today we're here to talk about a hot stock, and that is Nndm, which stands for Nano Dimensions. Now, if anybody that's been paying attention to the financial picture, Nndm is skyrocketing right now. And ours truly, Cathie Woods, and if you guys don't know who Cathie Woods is, she's the one that predicted Tesla would take off like it did, and she is a very, very excellent stock picker. Now, Cathie Woods has predicted that Nndm would go to the moon and back, and it has started to rise, and a lot of people listen to what she has to say. So I decided to take a look into it myself, and I wanted to pass this information on to the people on this channel, my subscribers and the ones that are watching, because this stock is doing great things right now, and it's making waves in the stock market. So definitely pay attention to this stock, and let's look into it and see why and if you should buy Nndm. All right, everybody, we're going to take a look at Nndm, which is Nano Dimensions here. And as you can see, it last closed at $12.60, is up 17 cents in the after hours as of 7:59 p.m. to $12.77. So that's actually a decent buy if you ask me. Now let's see how it's been doing over the last 5 days. About 5 days ago, it was about $11.98. So it's definitely growing here, and it's trending up more and more. So let's look at the history farther back from 5 days. Let's say about 1 month. Let's see, about 1 month ago. 1 month ago, it was all the way at $8.48. Now that's about where I got into the market. So I've made a nice investment into it in some of my stock accounts, and I'll show you guys one of those at the end of the video. Now let's see, about 6 months ago. 6 months ago, this stock was all the way down to $1.52. So you definitely made your money over 12-time fold if you got in this stock at the right time. The percentages are kind of crazy right now. If you can see that the day's range today was all the way down low to $11.52, all the way up to $13.30, and then it settled back down to $12.60. Now let's go over and look at something that a lot of stock channels don't show you, or show you tips on making money online, is to go to the conversation section. Now I use the Yahoo Finance app because I love to look at the conversation and to see what they're really saying about this stock. Now let's read some of these comments. Let's read some of these comments. ARK just brought $139,000 more shares in this actual stock. Now, if you guys remember the beginning of the video, I told you about Cathie Woods. She is the CEO of ARK Investment, and she has been buying this company up like crazy lately. And this lady is the #1 stock picker in 2020. So I'm telling you guys, jump on this opportunity right now. They just bought another 200,000 shares. See, look, it's a little misinformation in here. This person said 139,000 shares. This person said 200,000 shares. Whatever. She's buying a lot of shares. Now, I've been looking down these comments. A lot of people have been talking about another stock, NIO, lately, but I don't know anything about that. That's exactly why I check into the comment sections when I'm talking about these stocks, because it's always going to alert you to another stock that can possibly be your next moneymaker and possibly put you into another financial category. So always pay attention to the comment section too, and do your own research. This was just a quick little analysis to show you guys where this stock is headed to, because for this stock to go for today for $12.60, and then just 6 months ago, hell, let's see, even a year ago, the stock was down low. So okay, a year ago the stock was $2.29. So it actually took a dip 6 months later, but it's still amazing to see this stock going through what it's going through. It's just crazy. So I really think you guys should buy this stock. It's a definite must buy in my book. Now they downgraded it to a hold, but this stock is going places. So you can ride the waves up and down, but I definitely believe it's still going to continue to go up. This is Make Money Online Guy with J-Vo. One last thing. If you are invested in this company, I suggest that you continue to buy in. The CEO of ARK Investment, which is Cathie Woods, has invested more and more money into this company, and this company is starting to take off, and a lot of people are taking mention to it. Just look at YouTube alone. All right, everybody, this is Make Money Online Guy with J-Vo, and that's my take on Nndm. If you guys agree or disagree, go ahead and leave what you think down in the comments. Are you invested in Nano Dimensions? Are you thinking about getting into Nano Dimensions? Let me know what you guys think down below, and I guarantee you by the end of this year, this stock will be somewhere. I thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit those links down below to help the channel out, and I would appreciate it. Until then, make sure you guys tune back.